It is not age or lack of skills that stop people from starting. It is doubt. I speak with so many people and they all doubt themselves. They say, I'm not tech savvy. How will I manage this? How will I speak to people on camera? I've never done any marketing. What if I fail? But they don't realize. They keep putting it off. They put it off for a week and then a month and eventually for a year. And by putting it off, their decision is already made. They don't actually realize you do not need any experience for this business. You do not need to be tech savvy. You do not need to risk anything because there's a once-off payment and you make your money back after your first sale. And there is no monthly expenditure. You just need a clear, simple path and a program that works for you. Everything else gets done and is shown to you in a step-by-step guide. This way, your confidence grows as soon as you take that very first step. I've seen people start this program in their 50s, 60s and beyond that. They start small and learn at their own pace. And eventually, they feel that they are in control again. They don't feel pressurized or overwhelmed. They actually feel confident. If this resonates with you, why don't you comment below, start, or WhatsApp me? And I would love to send you a free copy of the Freedom Formula Blueprint to show you exactly how the system works at no pressure to you at all.